What up though, it's your boy Tone. This is BSU University. Finally, the reviews are here. Today, we're gonna review an IPA from Belching Beaver Brewery in San Diego, California. Belching Beaver has 5 locations in the area, 2 in Vista, California, 1 in Oceanside, 1 in Ocean Beach, and 1 in North Park. All of their breweries are dog and kid friendly. I wanted to review this IPA first because of the name, Hop Highway. For those that don't know, there is a California Highway 78 that runs east and west, west and east through San Diego's North County. This brewery decided to make a brew to capitalize on that name. Not really capitalize on it, but to celebrate the Hop Highway. So the significance of the Hop Highway, from east to west, west to east, I don't think there's an exit that you can't reach a brewery in about 2 miles. So, Hop Highway, Belching Beaver, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so let's get into the pour. I hope I don't mess this up. This is my first review, my first pour. I think we got it. So, upon initial inspection, it's looking kind of cloudy, but I know it's not like a East Coast or what they call a New England style IPA. I'm getting kind of like a straw, like a pale straw color. Lots of carbonation going in there. Not as much head as I would have wanted, but carbonation is flowing. Let's smell it. Very citrusy. Oh my God, it's like tropical almost. I can tell. It's by the pininess. This is like your standard West Coast IPA. Smelling pine, smelling citrus. I'm gonna guess Citra hops, Mosaic, Galaxy maybe. I'm not gonna lie, I've had this before, but I haven't had it in such a long time, so it makes it a great beer for me to start with. So let's get into the taste. Oh yeah. Very refreshing, very piney, very citrusy, kind of bready, a little bit of maltiness in there. Oh yeah, this is good. A little bit of alcohol legs on the glass. This comes in at 7.3%, so very drinkable. Mouthfeel very smooth, very smooth. That alcohol and that bitterness kind of gets you in the back. Yeah, there it is. Very drinkable. So I told you that once I started doing the reviews that I was going to deliver a verdict. So right here, right now, Belching Beaver, Hop Highway IPA. Out of a possible 5, I'm going to give this a 4. That's my verdict. Again, San Diego, California, with tasting rooms and grill pubs and Vista, Oceanside, Ocean Beach, North Park, dog and kid friendly. Man, available as far east, well, it's all on the West Coast, but as far east as Texas, I want to say. So if you can get your hands on some of this Hop Highway IPA, I recommend it. Like I said, 4 out of 5. As always, like, share, subscribe, comment, drink independent, support your local brewer. Cheers.